let's try halo halo. So this is a Filipino sweet dish, smoothie drink kind of deal. It kind of reminds me of Falooda, which is a popular drink smoothie deal from Pakistan.
In a glass, let's add tapioca pearls, mango jelly, coconut jelly, white beans, coconut meat, red beans, and we'll also spread on some ube jam. Blend up some ice so you can make ice shavings. Pour on some evaporated milk. We'll add a scoop of ube ice cream and some flan, which is basically a caramel custard, and top it off with some toasted rice flakes.
And I added a bit too much evaporated milk, but it's spilling everywhere. Okay, you know what? Let me get a bowl. 1 second. Okay, there we go. So let me go down, grab some stuff. I think you're supposed to mix it, I guess. Oh God. Okay, let me mix it just a bit so I can get at least a bit of everything. Okay, I think that's gonna be my bite right there. Okay, on a hot day, this slaps. All the flavors pretty much work well together. I love the flan. Okay, so this is honestly giving me Falooda vibes. In Falooda, we may have nuts. In halo halo, we have toasted rice flakes. We both have jellies. We both have some sort of fruit. We both have ice cream. We both have some sort of milk ingredient. We have vermicelli noodles, which I guess the Filipinos add some sort of beans, but it's honestly a very similar dish, but they both have their own little tweaks to it. And with Falooda, we also eat it with a spoon. And then at the end, once everything is melted, you just chug it. It is sweet, so don't think that you'll be eating this every day, but it is definitely a treat. I thought the beans were going to be a bit off, but it actually kind of works. It reminds me of the matcha red bean boba. It's nice. So the prominent flavor in this I find is the ube, because we got the ube ice cream and then we also have the ube jam spread across the glass. I would give this a solid 8.7 out of 10.